Hey guys, it's time for another ultra-powered ability, ultra-powered show of Poke Digi creating my Pokemon stuff. Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a Poipole. As you must know by now who Poipole is, make sure to leave a file below. Poipole is a poison type, and get this, Poipole is one of the mysterious Ultra Beasts found in Alola. And in Pokemon Ultra Sun, he can be received after you defeat the blinding one known as Ultra Necrozma, which is a really big deal. If you want to know who Necrozma is actually the blinding one. I don't want to give you guys spoilers, but I will draw Necrozma for you guys real soon, or Ultra, or the original. I don't know what comes first, but okay. So, next thing if you guys must know, I'm actually drawing his eyes here. It's crazy, right? Next up, you draw his smile. Next thing you do is draw his underbelly, his face. Anyways, there's one thing I like about him, and that's his voice. And when he first met Rabombi, I think he has a crush on him. I bet he does the same when he was Naganadel. I don't know what comes first. Anyways, here's his head. Standing up. I couldn't draw the top. Anyways, next up is his body. And here's his arm. And here's his butt. Here's his lower half. And here's his tail. There. And well, that was about easy, right guys? Anyways, that's how you draw Poipole. That's how you draw a Poipole. If you guys are excited for my next video, just let me know. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.